Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we are going to find out, can you crush bolts or screws into solid piece of steel? And to do this experiment we have of course 150 ton hydraulic press, then we have hardened press tool and high strength steel cup. And the idea is pretty simple as usual. We just take the random bolts and nuts, put them there. I think I can fit slightly more, like, okay, maybe that's good, like this, and then crush with the full force, and either they're going to fuse together, tool is going to explode, or something else is going to happen that nobody can guess right now. But if they compress together, we have like a fake bottom on this, so we can push the clump out as a whole, and it's not going to break like on some previous videos. But let's try first with these, and if we still have tool and press and everything after this, we try the screws also. And since we are using full pressure, the pressure inside of the tool is going to be about 3000 bars, and that's a like metric shit ton in specific terms, so we are going to be behind the blast screen. Okay, didn't explode. Didn't get stuck. That's a miracle. And what we made. Okay, they are pretty flat, and I'm not sure is this going to come out in one piece, but only one way to find out. Okay, this is so exciting. I'm going to place this here, and this is going to push it out. There is like white piece on between this tool and the cake. And my wife says that there's 25% chances that this is going to work, and I think I have to agree with her. So I don't have high hopes, but let's see. Hey, that's pretty cool.
Oi.
Okay, first that I have to say that my tool, excellent craftsmanship. It just works. And check this.
Woohoo! Wow!
Hey, this is exactly like the Feta Pix cereals, the dry fiber of things. This is like real man's version of that. This is one of the nicest things that we have made. Yeah, only like couple small washers drop out, but most of these are, it's like in one piece. It's not exactly solid, there is still like air gaps here, but I'm going to declare that this is success. And then we are going to try it with the wood screws, and my dad said that it's not going to work because they are too hard and they are going to crumble. But I think it's going to work even better than this, so I'm hopeful. And here is the tool, and there is like maybe 0.5 millimeter deep like dents here. So this was pretty good. And the bottom plate, this was softer steel. This is really high quality, but this is a bit soft, and as you can see there is quite a lot of marks. This time we have like, there is all different sizes of these. And yeah, same deal as before. In they go. I think the like long ones, these are going to hold it together, but it would be really hard to get like enough material there by using just the long ones. So we have, oh sperkel, these are sharp. We have also really tiny ones. I give 75% chances of this working. Bit rougher sound. Okay, it's ready.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, the last time was a bit too easy. It seems that there is one screw that is between the two tools and there is only 0.1 millimeter gap, so that's tight AF. But we are going to release this from the press and we can also push this out with the same go. Okay, we are ready to try, and I don't want to drop the actual biscuit that we are making to the floor. I'm going to just wait that the tool drops, then I'm going to stop, use the similar setup on the first time so it doesn't fall. So here we go. Yeah, easy. Yes. Ooh.
Oi, yes.
Ooh. Okay, we have a rare moment here. What the hell? It's like... It's stuck to the bottom plate. But hey, this is really rare occasion because Lauri and Anni, we were right and my dad was wrong.
Yeah.
Because usually we are always wrong and Timo is right, but not this time. Okay, I try. This is really nice. I try to be careful and I have just tried the tool for the job. Okay, doesn't work. Yes! Hey, check this. It actually worked. Hey, let's get both here and have a look which one is better. Okay, I have to say that my dad was slightly right because some of these are broken, so. Hey, which one is nicer? Okay, so my wife thinks that this is nicer, and I think I have to agree. This is too small texture. There isn't so clear details on this. It's like smush more. And this you can actually see the bolts and nuts still. This is just bit similar than with the metal shaving. Yeah, but that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content, we have this pink monster. It's a steel monster even if it's pink, so we have to deal with it.